It's a pretty Sunday morning, and I think it's time to start doing something on this Jeep menagerie. I'm going to take and push this in the garage, see if we can maybe start messing with these hat channels a bit, at least on one side. You can see that it needs them. So anyway, I'm going to move this thing over there and see what we got to do. This little body cart thing makes it way easy to move this thing around. I love it. All right, so plan of attack. You can see that they've doubled up some metal here. There's the original. This is a patch. I don't know if I'm going to mess with that just yet. I think the idea, at least for me, this is already apart anyway, obviously. So I think I'm just going to take and get these off and then kind of go from there. Just get the rot out of it. They used to put wood. I don't know if you can see that or not. But there's old wood inside of here. They would do that so that when you bolted the bed down, or the body down, that it wouldn't crush this. And probably for some kind of sound deadening too, maybe. I don't know. We're not going to do that. We're not putting wood back in it. Here's a better example. You can see the wood right there that's all rotten. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take and just kind of get this off and see where we're at. Now that most of the spot welds are exposed, I can take and just grind these out or cut them out with a spot weld cutter. Alrighty then. Hat channel is out. Floor is a little rougher than I remember. The original idea was just kind of take part of it off. But the more I got rolling and I saw how bad it was, I decided I would just take all of it off. Also, the original plan was to put the hat channel back after I took it off, put the new stuff on, because you have a road map where it goes. I don't think I can do that. That's pretty bad. I was going to do that and then do the floor from the top. That doesn't really make much sense, especially once you get looking at stuff. Passenger side's worse than the driver side. Example wise, here is the original floor, and there's a patch panel and another patch panel. They just kept layering over top each other. So there's 3 that I can see. There might be 4. Same with this little step deal on the side. Original, patch, who knows. On the side, they got a massive one right here on the side. I think I've shown that before, where it takes up almost this whole side of the Jeep. And then they did one along here on the bottom too. Looks like they stick welded it. I guess that's okay. Do what you gotta do, right? But we're not gonna do that. Anyway, so putting the hat channel back in, it's just not going to work. We're going to have to do the floors first and then do that. I think after looking at this for a while, I'm going to start here in the center, in the trans tunnel area, patch that area first. Then I'll have leave this solid as much as possible. I might do a couple small pieces, something to that effect, haven't decided yet. But if I keep it together mostly, then it's not gonna twist back and forth. I did buy some 1-inch bar. I see a lot of guys take and put 1-inch bar along here where this lip is, where the floor comes up. That's the other thing. The original floor goes like so, and then has a bend in it that comes down towards the bottom of it. That's the other reason I don't think I can, I just can't do it from the top. Just a better idea to do it while it's upside down like this. Anyway, I was saying, a lot of guys will take and put a piece of 1-inch bar here, which I don't think is a bad idea. It would stiffen things up for sure. So I may do that. Looking at the driver's side, this is just original stuff. So original floor, original side, original hole. Side pieces are original. It's got a little drain deal here. So this is the side to kind of go off of while I'm fixing this side. That makes the most sense. A little more overview stuff. There's a giant hole here that somebody cut out with a torch. I'm assuming to get to the transmission for some reason. Kind of stupid. That needs to be patched. There's another little deal here up on the cowl. A lot of that kind of stuff, little things. Anyway, I think that's plan of attack. Center first. We'll do center, this side, and then this side. I did go get metal today. All this stuff measures out 16 gauge. Holy shit, that stuff's heavy. Those are 10-foot pieces. The dude put it in the back of my truck with a forklift. I got an old Chevy truck that I use for that kind of stuff. We got it home to get it out. That's a lot heavier than it looks, that's for sure. Pretty heavy stuff. Yeah, I guess that's the package. So I'll end the video here. Not much to do in this one. Sorry about that. We'll do a lot more in the next one. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And catch you on the next one. Thank you.